Namaste everyone. The question is, consider three configurations of steel bars for bearing a load. A is two bars of 1 mm diameter each together, one wire of 2 mm diameter and four bars of 1 mm diameter each together. Okay. So the correct comparison of the load bearing capacity of three configurations is. So let's see what we can do. We can use that maximum load that steel wire can bear is proportional to its cross sectional area. Cross sectional area of wire. So this will be equal to pi r square, where r is diameter. Okay. So let's see the all conditions for A. Two wire of 1 mm diameter each together. So for this will be two wires means 2 into maximum allowable stress. Let's indicate it with X. It is maximum allowable stress. Okay, into cross sectional area, that means pi, and diameter is 1 square. So overall it will be 2x pi, right? Okay, for option B is like one wire of 2 nanometer. So 1 into maximum allowable stress into pi. 2 mm is the diameter. Okay, it's millimeter, sorry, not nanometer. So it will be square of 2. So it will be 4x pi. It is x, not cross. Okay, 4x pi. Okay, now for option C, it is like four wires of 1 mm, 1 millimeter. Okay, so 4 into x into pi into 1 square. So again we will get the same 4x pi. Okay, so now you can see the relations, how they find out the relation in options. So either all three are same, or A is less than B and C, or A is less than C and C is less than B, and A and B are equal and greater than C. So as you can see the values, so according to this you can say B and C are same and A is less than B. So this will be the relationship. Let's see. Option 2 will be the correct option. I hope you understood it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.